people deal with a lot of fear. To me, fear is an acronym is false evidence appearing real. They are bound with fear. They're afraid to talk. They're afraid to be themselves, and therefore they're stuck. Mm-hmm. One of my clients, well, many of my clients call me the noodler. They call me, well, you just get into our heads and you noodle around, and you find out what's going on, because it's all between the ears.
A good deal of the work that you do is very psychologically based. A lot of psychology in this work.
To me, it's probably 99% of it. Because I teach people how to sell. That's all psychology.
Oh, yeah.
Right? I have to sell my client on being a bigger, better, greater person, to working on themselves, becoming a better human, learning more skills. So it's all sales. It's all psychology.
Absolutely. Right.
Because remember, like we said, nothing happens in this world until something is sold.
Mm-hmm. That's right. Right. And with the communication skills and the presentation skills, there's the ability to knock it out of the park. But sometimes some of those things are, not lined up perfectly. So you help people really achieve and get to those points where all of those things are lined up in a way that works to their benefit.
And building a business today, or taking your business to the next level today, is more challenging than it was 10 years ago, 15 years ago, 20 years ago.
In some way, what ways would you say?
Well, the competition's a whole lot stiffer.
Yeah.
And what many times the competition has done is not necessarily a better product.
True.
But they bring a lot of great new branding, a lot of new marketing, a lot of new skill sets to the table. And so, that's where I see a lot of my clients are challenged. Because I tell them all the time, I have worked with people that work with bad companies, bad compensation plans, horrible products, and they've made millions. You know why? They learned a skill set.
Right.
And they've got self-confidence.
Right.
And they don't care if you kick over their toy soldiers. They're going to go get more toy soldiers.
Mm-hmm. Right. Exactly. In addition to the one-on-one and so much more, you also do workshops and seminars and speaking engagements too. Let's talk about some of that.
I love to be on the stage. You know why? Because I'm fearless. I love the most I've ever stood in front of was 10,000. I was like a kid in a candy store. I'd always say, just turn me loose. Allow me to give them truth, allow me to excite them, give me the opportunity to make them laugh, because I know if I get them laughing, they're going to remember what I said, right? And I don't believe in hype, and I don't believe in rah-rah, because they're going to walk out the door, and it's going to, if they get caught in a rainstorm, it's going to wash off. So I wanted to be in a position where, that's where I want my future, spent 20 years, coaching, love it, going to continue to do more speaking gigs. That way I can take my 20 years, my 19,000 hours of paid coaching time, my own ultimate transformation of my life, and I can spread it to the masses in a shorter, quicker period of time.